guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I want to give you guys my perspectives, my thoughts, my opinions regarding the state of GPU mining for January of 2021. And this is something that I really like doing every month. You guys probably saw my previous state of GPU mining videos. And yeah, I just talk out of my head. I don't have a script or anything. And I'm just going to go through a bunch of different stuff that I see fit for this month and what pertains to GPU mining in general. So I'm going to be talking about Ethereum, of course, and talking about GPUs, talking about profitability, buying GPUs, which is just insane right now. And of course, we're going to talk about EIP 1559. That seems to be very contentious right now, as well as we're going to talk about obviously the price of cryptocurrency going up and stuff. Right now, it's been going down, but generally it's been going up. And I'm going to talk about some mining strategies for the future that I think may happen, may play out, but not financial advice, and some other stuff. Okay, let's talk about Ethereum first. I just want to give this context out first because this is basically what pertains to generally everything that evolves around GPU mining right now, and that is mining Ethereum, okay? And specifically, we're mining Ethereum with GPUs, and so I would say this is one of the big factors out there right now as to why GPUs have been just going up insane. Right? And you guys can see the Ethereum network hash rate is continuing to go up and up and up every single day, and basically a new all-time high now every single day. And it's just nuts, right? And I would say we started this uptrend since DeFi because of the gas fees, the transaction fees, including the block rewards, were just insane. All right, I would say that started back in like July or June of 2020. So yeah, this is when I noticed, yeah, the transaction fees, block rewards were just insane, right? And you guys remember last year, if you were mining back in August and September, that those times mining were just so insanely profitable because of the transaction fees. The block rewards were just so high. We saw like 20 Ethereum per block, 30 Ethereum per block, 500 Ethereum per block. I think that was a misclick, but ultimately, including the price of Ethereum going up, okay, it's almost, it hit like, all-time high, and then it went past it a little bit at like 1420 or something, but now we're back down to 1285 as of making this video. But I believe we're going to go up even further later on in the future. But right now, yeah, Ethereum is just insane because you guys can see the network hash rate continues to rise. Okay, so now this is where I want to talk about GPUs. Okay, and it's just insane, right? Buying GPUs right now because of Ethereum. And of course, in terms of people talking about their break even point or their return on initial investment. So example, like an RTX 3090, your ROI time roughly is about 223 days. Okay, RTX 3080 roughly, generally, if you can buy it at this price, is 140 days. And the probably best bang for buck GPU right now that people want to buy is the 3060 Ti, which definitely you cannot get for 670. I mean, in terms of MSRP, if you're able to pick it up at a store, local store for MSRP, then yeah, that's great. But mostly, I would say a lot of people are buying over MSRP. But generally right now, you guys can see breaking even on these GPUs is quite nice right now. And it's not just the 30 series GPUs recently, it's literally all GPUs are able to be broken even within like 2 months. Okay, so RX 470s, 580s, P106s, P104s, their return on initial investment is just insane. You guys are probably just like breaking even on them continually, right? And I just recently sold some and I kind of regret it now. But look at this. It's just insane. Whatever GPU you have right now, you're able to essentially get your money back really quick. So anyways, I will come back to this, but I just want to talk about the aspect of buying GPUs right now. It's just insane, right? It's just crazy. Everyone and their dog is wanting to buy the 3060 Ti's, even the 3080s, such as myself. And there are huge reasons why, these prices for these GPUs are so high right now, right? And I'm just going to contribute a lot of different factors here. So the main thing, I think one of the biggest things around the world right now is COVID. Coronavirus is happening around the world. Supply and demand, it's causing a lot of people to stay in. I would say a lot of gamers are wanting to upgrade their PCs a lot. Like I would say, 10 to 1, maybe 100 to 1 in terms of gamers to miners. And not just miners or gamers, but also like there's like cloud gaming. So there could be a lot of businesses buying GPUs for cloud computing and all that kind of stuff, rendering. There's virtual reality stuff, content creators, streaming. GPUs are able to use on multiple different applications out there in the world. So when I hear like miners being blamed for the GPUs and the pricing right now, I just can't believe it, because there's a lot of other stuff that are going around the world right now. And, I am going to say that mining is a huge part of it. I don't want to be disingenuous here. I am going to say that mining is a huge part of it. And because it's profitable right now, everyone and their dog is buying GPUs because cryptocurrency is going up. But yeah, on eBay, you can see here, people are buying these for over MSRP, willing to pay $865 for an Asus Dual. Oh my God, $740 for a 3060 Ti Founders Edition, $790 for a Gigabyte one. Oh man, I do not like the Gigabyte cards, but yeah, it's crazy right now. It's euphoric, and people are willing to pay for these GPUs. And whether or not these are miners, I'm not sure. Probably, it's just insane right now. And of course, there's other things at play as well. Is the cost of the GPUs are going up. You guys probably heard that Asus increased the MSRP on graphic cards and motherboards, and other companies as well. Okay, it's not just Asus, but the tariffs are, yeah, basically are the issue here. And so everything, all right, it's not just tariffs, and it's not just miners, gamers and whatnot. I would say shipping, logistical reasons, everything has gone up. Metal, cost of supplies, everything has gone up in the world. So it's no doubt in my mind that that's the reason why we're seeing prices of not just GPUs. I would say just everything has been going up. And you guys know, with stimulus packages going around, especially in the United States, money printing go burr. It's insane, right? So that's causing a lot of inflation, in my opinion. And I think that GPU pricing will get any better in the next this year, 2021? I don't think so. I think it's gonna get worse. And yeah, that's just my thoughts. But going along, buying these cards right now is the main topic, I would say, for a lot of people right now. And it's not just 3060 Ti's. And this RX 6800 is also a very contentious GPU that a lot of people want to buy. Now I want to talk about this GPU. Miners do not want to buy this card, okay? But continually, this GPU is sold out everywhere, okay? So in my head, saying that means that if these cards are just out of stock everywhere, all right, and miners know, we all know that 6800s are not good for mining, okay? Specifically Ethereum. I think they're good on other algorithms, but it's just not as profitable as Ethereum. So I think right now we know that they do like 60 to 65 mega hash or something, and it's not as good as a 3060 Ti. But you can see the prices of these GPUs are like pretty much double than a 3060 Ti. And so us miners are not going to be buying this. So a lot of gamers, in my opinion, are buying these GPUs for gaming. So the argument of, a lot of gamers just blaming us that miners are just buying these for mining. No, we are not buying the 6800s for mining. All right. It's the gamers and the supply and demand aspect of it. That is why. All right. It's a free market. And I just hate all of the hate comments that I'm getting on my YouTube channel. Seriously, I've made, recently my 3080 rig, and I'm continually getting hate comments, and I don't know what to say, except it's a free market, guys. Right now, it's just insane, because supply and demand, everyone and their dog is trying to get the GPU, and Nvidia and AMD are not able to give out that supply. Okay, it's that simple. All right, so blaming miners for your not able to buying a GPU and the prices going up, it's not miners, okay? It's not just miners, all right? It's one factor of it, but there's other factors out there, which I just mentioned before, that are happening around the world right now, okay? It's like logistically, shipping costs, supplies, and costs of everything has just gone up, right? Money printing go burr, a lot of stuff, okay? So hopefully for people that are watching this, especially gamers, understand that this is a free market, and this is what's happening. This is the normal right now. And I think this is going to be happening now for the next, probably the next couple months, next half year, probably the next year. And as well as if cryptocurrency decides to go up even more, we're going to see GPU pricing on hardware, especially crypto mining hardware, go up even more, parabolic. And I think 2021 is definitely going to be a year to remember for sure. And you know what? I'm glad that we are all in it right now. I mean, I've been in it now since like 2017, early 2017, and I've seen all the highs and I've been through all the lows, and it's just, it kind of unfazes me. But you know, I'm glad and I'm happy that I'm here. And you know, recently it's just been euphoric, right? My Discord community is amazing. That YouTube views, engagement have been going up insane. Like, I've been getting so many views. You guys have been watching my videos continually, and I love it. I love it, and I just want to thank you guys for that. Really appreciate you. I'm gonna be here for the long haul for sure. And yeah, guys, it's just crazy. So that's my little spiel of GPUs. Hopefully you guys can let me know your thoughts about that. Okay, so this is going to be a longer video. I probably forgot to mention that, but as you know, mining is really profitable right now. You know, any GPU right now is profitable, and you know, we can just go through what to mine here, which everyone is probably going to go through. Let's just do a 6 by RX 580 rig, 180 mega hash. We're going to hit calculate, and look at this. All right, currently, in terms of fiat value, okay, in terms of fiat value, they're making about $11, $12 a day at 10 cents kilowatt hour if you had 10 cents electric costs, okay? But in terms of, you know, the rewards for mining Ethereum, you're getting about 0.0106 a day, which is really good, right? And of course, all of these numbers here, all these metrics that correlate to, you know, estimating your 24-hour rewards is, you know, the network hash rate, the difficulty, as well as the block times, block rewards as well, which change all the time, okay, which could be a lot more at any given time of day, all right? And all of this stuff here, just it creates an equilibrium of what we see here, revenue in terms of fiat. And you guys know that everything is tied to Bitcoin, okay, in terms of revenue for 24 hours in BTC. That is how we get our fiat numbers here. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand that. But yeah, it's quite good for a single RX 580 rig, 6 by RX 580 rig, and yeah, doing really good. But going along, okay, let's talk about another topic, and that is going to be the EIP 1559. Now, I recently just made the video, just yesterday actually, the fight against Ethereum EIP 1559. Not yesterday, sorry, 2 days ago. And you guys, I got a lot of views on that video. You guys gave me a lot of engagement. That was really good. And I got a lot of comments on this video. Just insane. I see a lot of conversations going along here, and it's just crazy. You guys should definitely read here of a lot of different perspectives from a lot of people. And I even saw some Twitter posts of people, you know, just highlighting some comments here. So I found that just to be amazing. And yeah, I really want to thank you guys. I've been reading all of your guys' comments as fast as I can, but it's great to see these kind of perspectives that are happening out right now. And I hope the developers can also see that. Ethereum devs can see, you know, us miners, we're a huge community that gives value to Ethereum. And in my opinion, that's what really propped up Ethereum in terms of adoption and everything, and in terms of security as well, network security. We are the ones who really propped up Ethereum. And from some posts that I've seen from some crypto Twitter on Ethereum devs, they just disagree, right? They just disagree. And I feel like it's going to be inevitable that, you know, one day mining Ethereum, it's going to be gone, because ultimately they're going to be moving to proof of stake. Who knows? That could be in the next year, the next 2 years, 3 years. Who knows? You guys know that the track record is pretty bad, but we'll see, right? There's this website here called stopeip1559.org. All right. And I believe this is made by Flexpool. And they show here the pools that are opposing EIP 1559. So there are Flexpool, Ethermine, Hivon, 2 miners, ETH hash pool, Woolly Pooly. Great pool, by the way. Crux pool and Crazy pool. So you guys can see there on their announcements here. I'll have the website link down below. You guys can go check it out. And then on the right, you can see here supporting EIP 1559. We have F2 pool supporting EIP 1559. Huh, interesting. And there are some other pools here, but it looks like there's no announcement from them yet. So I think that's why they're on this side until we hear something from them. And oh, looks like the website just died. Oh, there we go. And yeah, then they'll probably move on this side if there's an announcement. But interesting. Okay, so this is a website you guys should definitely go check out, and you can read, you know, what the gist of what EIP 1559 is. I already did talk about that already. But yeah, the fight against it is pretty big right now. Basically, all miners are going against it, including myself. All right, I totally agree. But I did have some opinions on what they could do in terms to, just mitigate or help is increase the block rewards. Okay, so right now the block reward is 2 Ethereum per block, all right, naturally. But anything after 2 Ethereum per block are the transaction fees, gas fees, right? And so us miners are getting that. So imagine if the block reward was set at maybe 3 Ethereum per block at current rate, at the current state of mining profitability, then that would be good. All right, that was a couple of opinions some people had. I think I saw that on Ethermine. Ethermine had that opinion on their Twitter regarding potentially just raising the block rewards. So that would be kind of interesting. So anyways, yeah, so that's EIP 1559, guys. Go check it out and do a hashtag on Twitter or something. Voice your concern, voice your opinion, just show your guys' support against EIP 1559. And maybe, not necessarily against it, but maybe give some constructive, just some ways how we could maybe fix it or update it, like increase the block rewards or something, right? Okay, going along, guys. That's the topic of EIP 1559. Let's keep it going here. The state of GPU mining is amazing right now, okay? Profitability is awesome, and everyone and their dog is mining Ethereum, right? But there are other cryptocurrencies out there, don't get me wrong, there are other coins out there that are generally still profitable. Okay, so not just Ethereum. All right, if we were to just take out Ethereum and take out NiceHash here, NiceHash, we're looking at like Eternity, Mimblewimble Coin, BitTube Cash, Ravencoin, Beam, Grin, Veil. Looks like they moved to a new algorithm, I think a couple months ago, to ProgPow, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, there's a bunch more coins here on an RX 580 rig. Look at this. Even Aeon is profitable on an RX 580 rig. Look at that, guys. That's amazing. But yeah, there's a bunch of different coins here, and I think Firo recently got 51% attacked. And yeah, there's just a bunch of other coins here that are actually still profitable mining on an RX 580 rig. But going along here, guys, it's not all doom and gloom, right? And I did miss the fact about talking about when and if EIP 1559 is implemented, and potentially if Ethereum decides to go way back down to like, I don't know, $300 per Ethereum, then that would render Ethereum mining pretty much unprofitable, right? But then, of course, if that happens, and we can see here roughly right now, it's 320 terahash on the network. Imagine that much GPU power, mining power, just all of a sudden, moving or equilibrating to all of these other coins on what to mine. And basically, I don't know if equilibrating is a word, but what I mean by that is like leveling off. Basically, all the network hash rate is going to be going to all these different coins, and that would be this is a lot of hash power, right? And if all this hash power moved to all of these other coins, it would probably cause profitability to be really, really unprofitable at current prices. Okay, at current prices of the coins, who knows? Eternity could go up, Mimblewimble coin could go up, God forbid. Raven coin could go parabolic, right? Who knows, right? We don't know. But at current network hash rates, 1.81 terahash, it's kind of iffy moving all that network hash rate that Ethereum has right now, especially if once proof of stake is implemented. It's just going to be a flush to all of the other coins out there, and we will see what happens in the next year or two, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated, but just giving you guys that disclaimer. And so, yeah, I guess I wanted to just segue into, for people that are wanting to get into crypto mining, I guess I should have talked about this earlier, but, it is insane buying GPUs right now, and you just cannot find any new cards for sale. Okay, so example, let's just find like 3060 Ti, right? I mean, you just cannot find these anymore. And actually, you can't even find like other GPUs out there, like 1080 Ti's. I mean, you can, but they are also expensive as well. And I actually would not realistically buy these cards for mining. I mean, they're still profitable. Okay, don't get me wrong. Let's go find 1080 Ti here. 1080 Ti. Yeah, 1080 Ti. All right. It's say if you've bought it for $350 USD, which is not true. They sell for over $500, $600 on eBay. Your payback time at 350 though is about 105 days at 46 megahash mining on Ethereum. So I mean, that's really good actually. But if these numbers stay for the next 105 days, which I don't think so, potentially it could go up even more. So maybe this could be 90 days, maybe it could be 80 days, it could be 60 days as the price of Ethereum goes up. And now this is a good segue into the mining strategies I wanted to talk about now. Okay, so there are a lot of different strategies, and the state of mining right now, in my opinion, as everything is profitable, right? So what I mean by that, profitable means if you are actually selling every day into fiat, which I know a lot of miners are not doing, and I'm not doing that myself. I've been a hodler for mining for a longest time now, I think for like the past 2 years. And it's just insane. The amount of rewards that you mined over the past year or so, and specifically for those that have been mining for the past year, and now for those that have seen these numbers right now of crypto going up, it's insane, right? We're just like, wow, we're like, so like, it's a dream, right? It's just a dream that these prices are here right now. But anyways, yeah, going along that, in the terms of strategy of mining right now for new miners, hodling is probably the best way you can do it, because there are different strategies out there. And one I'm going to talk about right now is Bitcoin dominance, altcoin dominance, right? So specifically for those that want to, potentially do some trading, okay, this is where you can potentially make more crypto, all right? And you can see here that right now that Ethereum has been gaining dominance. And I think, in my opinion, just not financial advice, that Ethereum is going to go up a lot more in terms of dominance correlating to Bitcoin, right? So right now, okay, if we actually go to CoinMarketCap, let's just do Ethereum. So right now, okay, trading for one Bitcoin would be 26 Ethereum, roughly. Okay, 26 Ethereum. I remember back in 2017, back in 2018. It was at the beginning of 2018, where you could trade literally, I think it was seven or six Ethereum for one Bitcoin. 7 or 6 Ethereum for one Bitcoin. And now look at it. It's 26 Ethereum for one Bitcoin. But I think in the future, potentially, that we may see maybe 20 Ethereum for one Bitcoin, maybe 15 Ethereum for one, not financial advice, but I think altcoins in terms of Ethereum specifically is going to make a run up. And I think that's going to be a really good time to essentially get more Bitcoin. All right. So for people to understand, the dominance, the altcoin dominance, and, playing around the strategies of trading in that aspect, it's another way for us miners to essentially gain more crypto or gain more Bitcoin. All right. So depending on how you look at it, especially if you want to do it the other way or get more Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and depending, altcoin dominance, Bitcoin at one point was 70% dominance and Ethereum was 7%. So I think it was at one point like 45 Ethereum for one Bitcoin. So example, if you traded one Bitcoin for 45 Ethereum back in September 8th of 2019, and then here we are today at 26 Ethereum for one Bitcoin, you could exchange your 45 Ethereum you have now into 2 Bitcoin, essentially, maybe 1 point something Bitcoin, but you would have more Bitcoin than what you did, what you traded for back in September of 2019. Just an example. All right, and this is not something I would recommend everyone doing, but you have to really follow the charts, follow Bitcoin, the dominance charts and stuff that it's something that you could essentially play around. All right, it's just one strategy for hodlers, and for us miners, for hodling and not selling every day, we have to do these kind of things because essentially to gain more crypto or satoshis or fiat, depends how you look at it. And yeah, anyways, that's just one strategy I want to talk about. There are a bunch of other ones out there, but right, I did want to talk about mining other coins out there. Obviously there are a bunch of other coins that could potentially 100x, 10x. I'm not sure. I'm not going to talk about that. I don't really know which ones could. I mean, there are a bunch of different coins out there that are really low network hash rate, low difficulty, so you can gain more of the rewards. It's actually kind of crazy to see an RX 580 rig, a 6x580 rig, actually mine 334 Raven coin a day. Okay, so that's amazing. That's actually amazing. I actually have some of my 584 gigabyte cards on Ravencoin right now, so it's actually really good. You're getting a lot of the rewards essentially. And so if Ravencoin decides to 100x or 10x or something, for example, all right, not financial advice, I'm not sure if it will. It's just been on a downward trend for the longest time. Oh my God, I feel like it's like Wow, that is brutal. Anyways, yeah, I wonder if there's potential for Ravencoin to go up. I feel like this is like the bottom or something. That's insane. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's one strategy, couple strategies there. I don't know if I talked about all of them, but I want to talk about more. But going along, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I want to end off with just, so GPU mining, yeah, it's amazing right now, right? Everyone and their dog is trying to get into it. I have been getting hundreds of thousands of emails. I would say I have over 5,000 emails in this month alone of people emailing me where to buy GPUs. Red Panda, are you selling GPUs? Red Panda, let me know, what should I be mining? What should I do? What's the strategies? What should I buy? What part do I need? I I just want to be real with you guys. I've been getting very overwhelmed. I've had to disable my Discord DMs. I've had to disable my Instagram DMs. I had to disable my Twitter DMs, all that kind of stuff. All right. I just can't do it. I cannot answer that many questions. In my opinion, if you guys, if you stay till the end of this video, if you listen to this far, if you're a new miner, please do research online first before you email me. My email is really only for business inquiries only. Okay, I cannot answer that many emails every day. I'm only one man, and I have a family, and I work full time, and I do this YouTube on the side. So I literally have zero time to answer emails and all that kind of stuff. So please come on Discord, join Discord, and please Google, just Google questions first before you email me, because all those answers are out there. All right. All the answers to your questions are out there, and YouTube as well. There are lots of other YouTube content creators out there. And so I'm sorry to sound like snobby. I don't mean to be snobby. I don't mean to be pretentious or disingenuous, whatever. I'm just being real here. Okay. I'm just being real. One man cannot answer hundreds of emails a day and all the stuff that I'm doing every day. So hopefully you guys understand that and give me a little, just give me a little breather, because I've been trying, but I just can't. There's just no way I can do that. But okay, guys, I think that's it. That is the state of GPU mining right now. Basically, it's just everyone and their dog is trying to buy GPUs, and actually, I forgot to talk about selling GPUs. Could be a good time, but potentially, if Ethereum and crypto starts going up even more, then we may see that GPUs could be even more. I wonder if 1080 Ti's could go up to $1,000 one day. I don't know, maybe not, but potential is there, and everyone and their dog is trying to buy the new GPUs, including myself. And yeah, anyways, guys, that's it. Let me know your thoughts, and links down below to all the websites that I showed here that I was talking about, especially EIP 1559. Okay, my friends, thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and if you made it this far, let me know down below. Okay, have a good one, my friends. Stay safe, and peace out.